Hello all, welcome to MAPOG. In this video, we are exploring how to plot points on a map using the Create Point tool in MAPOG by taking road accident locations as an example. This map created using MAPOG points out the exact locations of accidents in a region, enabling us to analyze trends and patterns, thus helping to develop effective prevention strategies. Let's take a closer look. Open Map Analysis interface from MAPOG. Select Create Data and then Create Point tool. Enter a suitable name for the point layer and add the needed attributes. Then save the layer. Now, the point layer is created. We can create points in 3 ways, either dropping a point, entering an address, or by using latitude and longitude data. Here, we are plotting the accident locations with the latitude and longitude data. Enter the latitude and longitude data in the given field, and then click on Plot Location. Add the attribute values of the point in the given field, and save the point by clicking on Add. In the same manner, add all the points to the map. Now, all the points are plotted. By clicking on Action followed by Show Data Table, we can view the data table of the layer. MAPOG also facilitates editing of the attributes, just by clicking Edit Attributes option and making the necessary changes. Click on the pencil icon near Untitled Map text and save your map with a suitable name and description. Next, we can style the points with suitable icons. Click on Style Data and select Basic Style. Select the layer. You can either choose an icon from the given list or add a new icon by clicking on Add Icon. Then browse the icon from your file. Finally, click on Upload and Save. Now, we have successfully created a map showing the recent accident locations of the area. By plotting accident data, we can identify hotspots where incidents frequently occur. This allows us to prioritize resources and implement targeted interventions to improve safety in those areas. Visit our channel and explore more use cases and more products. Thanks for joining us. For any queries, reach out to us at support@mapog.com.